Alright guys, I have just stopped by Walmart and my Walmart is now restocking on cards again. For a while they were not doing cards at all, so I have these 5 new Evolving Skies packs that I will be opening up, and what I'm hoping to get is the full art Rayquaza. We have a Sylveon pack here. I like the pack artwork, nice and shiny, holographic, looks great. I think it looks a bit better than some of the recent pack arts that have been out lately. So I'm not gonna do any card flip methods. Jeez, good lord. So we have let's just hold it up so you can see. Flabébé, I have never seen that before. That's just me though. Psyduck, like the artwork. Very nice. Swablu. One of my first shiny Pokemon I ever got was a Swablu in Pokemon Emerald. Seedot, again, like the art. And we have one of those funny clay looking artworks, a Woobat. And we have a Pyroar, not a big fan of that Pokemon, but whatever. And the rare is a Zapdos Galarian, which is pretty nice. That is very nice. We have a Dark Energy, Spirit Mask, Palpitoad, and a Golduck. And here's the code for anyone who wants it. Maybe you will get lucky and get that full art Rayquaza that I believe is it's going for super high on eBay. Not the reason I want it. I think the artwork looks fantastic, and here is the big boy himself. Maybe, hopefully this means something. Maybe we'll get a Rayquaza of some kind, hopefully. I don't care which one it is, I just want a Rayquaza of some kind. Okay, so we have a, I'll put it back here, Seedot. Lillipup, personally I don't really like dogs, more of a cat person. Bagon, very nice, bringing back the dragon typing. Litleo, okay. We have a Lotad. I like Lotad, he's fun. Zoroark, it's a nice looking artwork. And we have something good right here, and it is a Glaceon VMAX. That is a very nice looking card. I'm going to put it right there. Okay, so that's very good. One really amazing pull. We got 3 more packs to go. Grass, Pyroar, Vigroth, very nice. Very good artwork. Treasure Energy, and there is the code. I still don't know how the codes work. I don't know if it gives you exactly what's in the pack or if it's completely random, but whatever. Maybe you'll get something good, maybe you won't, who knows. Another Rayquaza, hopefully that is a good sign. Even if we don't get anything else, I think the Glaceon is well worth it, because personally Glaceon is probably my favorite of the EV evolutions besides Espeon. So we have Swablu, Litleo, Chinchou, very nice. Dino, like the artwork on that. Pumpkaboo with his fat butt. Ribbony, and we have another good one here. What is this? We have a Trevenant VMAX. I don't know much about this Pokemon, but this looks very nice. So we have, we have 2 out of 5 good hits and another Grass Energy, a Golduck, Rubber Gloves, Copycat, and the code. Alrighty, I'm gonna clean this up right here. I always save my empty packs. You never know whenever there will come a time where I feel like doing, you know, more pack art frames, like the EX one that I did. I kind of want to do one with Wizards of the Coast, but at the moment I don't really feel like digging around for pack arts again. I'd also like to do one with the Diamond and Pearl series as well, but we'll see. Slackoth. I love sloths. That poor little boy's gonna fall. It looks like my cat. One of those things again. Ooh, we have a Carvenhaw, so maybe there's a Sharpedo in the set. Very nice. It is always nice to see Carvenhaw. Dweeble. Mareep. Very nice. Ooh, Gigalith. That is a cool artwork right there. I like that. Ah, and we got Appleton. Look at his little apple hat flying off his head. I like that as well. That is very nice. Steel Energy, Avalon, which looks great. Snow Leaf Badge, okay. Gordy, and the code. All right, so no ultras or super rares out of that one, but anything new is good. So as long as I don't already have it, I don't really care. We have one more. Will we receive a Rayquaza of any kind? Or maybe just another full art VMAX, or maybe an ultra or secret, something really good that'll make this last pack worth it. Alrighty. Bagon, Love Disc, haven't seen that one yet. Another Seedot, Slackoth, love it. That thing again. Fletchinder, very cool. And it looks like we have something good. We have a Flareon VMAX for the final pack. That is very good. It's good to get one final good hit. And a Dream Ball. I don't think I've ever seen one of those before. And there's the code. Okay, that was pretty good. I think we got some really good stuff out of these packs. I'm just gonna put these cards up for whenever I get back home. But we will take a closer look at these. Okay, there we go. There are the 3 the great hits of the video, and that'll do it for this time. And maybe next time I'll have something really good for y'all. We'll see what happens, but hope you enjoyed the video.